So now with that first exercise out of the way, let's dive into the next one. Create a Python code snippet that searches and deletes all PNG and JPEG files in a given folder. Now we could of course simply take that exercise text and paste it into the chat prompt here. And if we would send this, we would indeed probably get a result that is exactly what we want. We would probably get such a Python code snippet that we could use and that we could execute on our system to perform the intended task. Now you could absolutely stop here, therefore, and use this snippet. But I actually want to tweak this prompt here. For example, I came up with this prompt here. I'm again setting a role, which probably could be omitted here, but which also doesn't hurt. Then I again just copied in that text from the exercise, which in the end sets the goal for this prompt. But then I also added some additional context here. The user who executes the script should be able to define the folder dynamically. The script should accept the folder path as an input. Again, I'm using short, focused sentences here, and I'm adding some crucial extra context here, because that will actually change the content of the code snippet that will be created. Because in the previous code snippet which I got, and it's definitely possible that you got a different response, but in the code snippet I got, the path which would have been searched was included in the script code. Now, of course, you could replace it there, but it was directly in the script code. Now I want to get a script which, when executed, prompts the user for the path that should be searched, so that you don't need to go back to the code and update it whenever you want to search a different path, but that instead you can use this script without any changes, and it simply asks you for the path that should be searched. That's the goal here. In addition, I also controlled the output format. I'm telling ChatGPT that I just want the code snippet without all those extra explanations. Again, that of course might be something you do want, but here I just want the code. Therefore, if I do send this, I get just that code. Now, unfortunately, here for me, it also omitted all the formatting, which might not be the case for you. So therefore here I'm sending a follow-up message where I'm telling ChatGPT that it should format the code and style it as code in its response. And that now gives me the code in this more readable format here. With that, I then have some code that could be used to perform the given task.